Hello kids, hope you all are safe and happy at your place. Today we are going to start the 6th chapter of English grammar, that is verbs. Now kids, what is verb? A verb is a word that tells us about an action, run, jump, occurrence, that is became, change, happen, or a state of being, be, seem, feel. Verbs always express activity, whether mental or physical. Now let's see with these examples. First one, he danced at the party. Here the verb is dance. He is showing the action. So dance is a verb. She skips the rope. What she is doing? She is skipping. She is doing something. She is showing an action, that is skips. He goes to office. He is going somewhere. He is showing us the action, that is goes. So the verb goes is a verb. See, the more verbs you can see here, that is walk, hang, stand, pull, throw, push, jump, hold, sleep, sit, swim, paint, climb. So these all are the activities, the actions that shows. So these all words are verb. Now we will solve and will come to know which are the verbs in these sentences. Circle the verb in the sentences given below. My brother rescued a cat from a tree. What did the brother do? He rescued a cat. So here the word rescued is a verb. Good. We went for a picnic yesterday. Which word here is showing action? That is went. So the word went is a verb. Our teacher gave us homework. What do our teacher give us? Homework. But what is the action? She gave us. So the word gave is a verb. I hear the bell ringing. What did? I hear the bell ringing. Okay, the bell ringing. But the action is hear. I hear the bell ringing. So the word hear is a verb. She knows the answer. She knows the answer. Good. The word knows shows the action. Now there are two types of verbs. One is physical and mental verbs, and second is state of being verbs. So now we'll see what is physical and mental verbs. First one is physical verbs. Now what is this physical verbs? Physical verbs are action verbs. They describe specific physical actions. If you can create a motion with your body or use a tool to complete an action, the word you use to describe that action is mostly likely a physical verb. See here the example is let's run in the playground. Let's run in the playground. Here in the picture you can see a boy is running. Let's run in the playground. The running, the word run is physical verb. Here the body part is being used. Physically action is being done. So the running, run is physical verb. Let's see with some more example. Eat your breakfast. Eating something. Okay. We require hand and mouth to eat our breakfast. So physically we are getting involved. So eat your breakfast. Word eat is physical verb. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes. We are taking help of our hands and legs. So physically we are doing something. Wear your shoes. The word wear shows physical verb. We never shout in class. We never shout in class. We shout in class. We use our mouth to shout. So the physical verb is shout. So these all are words eat, wear, shout are physical verbs. Fill in the blanks using physical verbs. Here we have to use verbs, physical verbs. Father dash his car daily. Father dash his car daily. What is father doing with his car? That is cleans. Father cleans his car daily. Sia dashed to the breakfast table. Sia dashed to the breakfast table. Sia ran. Dash your teeth twice a day. What we do with our teeth early in the morning? We brush our teeth. So brush your teeth twice a day. Cobbler dash shoes. What do cobbler do? Cobbler mends shoes. The donkey dash a heavy load. The donkey dashed a heavy load. Donkey carried a heavy load. My teacher dash stories. My teacher tells stories. Now we'll see what is mental verbs. Mental verbs refer to action carried through our intellectual power, that is mind. They are related to concepts such as discovering, understanding, thinking or planning. In general, a mental verb refers to a mental process. See, here the examples are given. I don't remember her name. See, the boy is still thinking. I don't remember her name. So we are using our intellectual power, that is mind. Tina recognized her lost pet. Recognize is a mental verb. I help my sister with her homework. In doing homework, she is helping. So helping is we are using intellectual power, that is mind. So help is a mental verb. Now let's solve and understand deeply with this exercise. Fill in the blanks using mental verbs. I dashed the answer, so I raised my hand. I dashed the answer, so I raised my hand. I know the answer. Very good. The cat could dash milk in the kitchen. The cat could dash milk in the kitchen. The cat could smell milk in the kitchen. I feel tired today after traveling for so long. Good. She dashed a big house by the river. She dashed a big house by the river. She owns a big house. I dash my parents and they love me too. I love my parents and they love me too. Dash you good health. Dash you good health. Wish you good health. Now, second type of verb, that is state of being verbs. These are very easy, kids. State of being verbs are also called linking verbs or helping verbs. They in themselves are inactive. They alone do not express any actions. Some of the state of being verbs are is, am, are, was, were, being. This is an important paper. Okay, these are just linking verbs. They are inactive. They are not showing any of the actions. They are not expressing anything. So these are simple helping verbs or linking verbs, you can say. We are ready. Are state of being verb. She is hungry. Is state of being verb. They were good students. So these words are help to connect the sentence. Okay, these verbs, linking verbs are helping to connect the sentence. So they are called linking verbs or helping verbs. Choose the right option to complete the sentences given below. Who dash at the door? See, here you are having two options. Am, was. Who dash at the door? Who was at the door? Good. We dash happy. We dash happy. We are happy. She dash dancing at the concert. She dash dancing at the concert. She is dancing at the concert. The tree is old and strong. Feathers are light in weight. The city dashed clean and beautiful. The city is clean and beautiful. So kids, this was all about our chapter verbs and their two kinds. Thank you. Take care.